How to add to location in Grab. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add to location in Grab. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the food option from the main menu to start placing your order. Now, browse and select the food item you want to order. Once you find the item, tap on it to view the details. After that, tap on Add to Basket to proceed with your order. Here, you can add your first location by tapping on the delivery address field. Now, enter the address where you would like the food to be delivered. If you want to add a second location, you may need to add a note or use multi-stop delivery feature if available in your region. Then, check if there's an option to add another drop-off point or contact Grab support to confirm if this feature is supported. Once you've added the locations, you will need to select a payment method. Choose your preferred payment option and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Now, your order is ready, and your multiple locations should be saved as part of the delivery instructions. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.